Mobility Solutions proudly present the first US unboxing of the Strutt EV1. With CoPilot Plus, self-driving Lidair technology, this thing's as safe as it gets.
Lewy, you ready?
I'm getting there. Oh,
Hey, I really appreciate everything you've done.
I'm gonna get my controller out the way, so if you run over me, you don't crush the controller.
Well, here I come.
Even when the driver is not.
Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions. I have something really cool to show you. This is the Strutt EV1, which is a CoPilot self-driving Lidair technology. It does a lot of stuff. We have a lot to learn. We've had the opportunity to get to see 2 prototypes that they've actually brought to us over the past couple of years. Now we're about to do our first unboxing. Just so you know, we have a lot of cool things coming in 2026. This is the first thing that arrived to us that we get to review, unbox, and go over it with you. This isn't for everybody, but this chair can do a lot of cool stuff. It's going to be priced probably in the $7,000 range, but once you see everything it can do, you'll understand why it needs to be priced there. It's a game changer for sure. This is what it's going to look like when it comes in. It's probably going to come on a pallet with 4 boxes. Don't let this overwhelm you. This is something that does disassemble. Let's just go ahead and unbox the first box. So here's the back end. This is a power chair. Look at the suspensions back here. It is going to be a disassemble power wheelchair, wireless disconnections. You got 2 motors, springs. There's your connection. This is where the battery will go. There is going to be a battery that removes that can be charged away from this unit. Your brake releases is at the back here. So if you need to, roll the chair for some reason, there's your brake releases. These are your anti-tip system. So we'll go over all that stuff. I just want to first bring you this unboxing. I'm telling you, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, if you just came across this, you better subscribe. We have so much cool stuff to show you. This is not light. It's not meant to be light, but the way you can load this into your car is pretty neat. I'll get some specs, some weights and stuff like that. There'll be many videos, but here's the first piece out of the first box. For box number 2, wanted to open this battery. So this is a lithium phosphate battery. This is the safest lithium battery out on the market. It's the phosphate. It lasts the longest. I think this gets about 20 miles right now. So we're going to find out if they have the TSA approved battery coming, but that's how you would charge it away from the unit. Now this is probably about 7 or 8 pounds. So it's very lightweight for what is inside of this battery. You should get about 5,000 cycles out of this. Maybe more, 3,000 to 5,000 cycles. So that's really impressive. Most deep cycle batteries are 365 cycles to maybe 500. So usually you replace the batteries once a year in your standard power wheelchair. It's going to be priced higher than all those other batteries, but this thing should way outlast anything. Just still keep in mind, we're doing the unboxing of one of the finalized prototypes. There might be a couple things you'll have to do when yours comes in by adding these. It might look a little bit different. Now, we will come back and work on changing our unboxing. Here's your quad wheels at the front. You got camera, sensors, Lidair technology. There's all types of stuff this thing has. There's a motor up in here, so these move by motor to where these are really just kind of driving you straight. But you can disassemble this. This is not going to be something very lightweight to disassemble, but it's optional to disassemble it. So there you go. And then here is the feet And this is adjustable in height. There's a lot of specs here. We're just gonna drop this right on here. And there you go. And here's the battery. The battery would plug right back into here. Lewy, this is really comparable to like a Will product in a way, but just way, way more advanced than anything Will currently has. Disassemble how heavy the things are is because of everything is of high quality. All right, so the last step is box number 3, the seat. So you see this drone? Does anyone, grandkids, know about drones, how they can do crazy stuff? Lewy has one that you wear goggles and he can go everywhere. It's really cool. 3 of these guys from DJI have been working with Strutt to build what we have right here. What I'm getting to is the time and the people that have been working on bringing this power chair to you. It is insane. We've been talking to them, going over products, doing stuff with them. It's very, very cool. We're going to put the seat on there. So what I'm going to do is remove the cushion because there's a hole that allows you to see what you're doing. And I'm going to just drop it right on there. I think you got to release this though, Lewy. Drop it on, lock that back. Now, if you have to adjust the height, which we can do that later, there is a cool little toolkit right here. And we'll show you some of those videos. We'll put that there. Now we got to put the back on. And you can probably get a different cushion if you need it. This is just your standard foam cushion. So there is some adjustments with the back recline. Now, there's a different heights right back in here. It's just going to drop on, but you do have to release them and take them off, which is kind of cool. Boom. All right, I'm pretty sure they've had this thing charged up for me. So I'm going to turn this bad boy on. There we go. So look, yeah, we're gonna charge this thing up. Oops. Oh, look, there's your map. Oh, look. So yeah, there's a lot to learn. Look, there's the chair. So we're in manual mode. Currently there's 3 modes, and we'll go over those modes with you. You also do have flip back arms. I didn't tell you that. Lights up at the front. You can lock these things too. See, they're pretty. Huh. You see the wheels? It's still mapping, right? It's still showing, look, there's Lewy. Come back around me, Lewy. See how it's coming? And he's coming in front of me. So that's really neat. So if you're out at the grocery store and someone cut in front of you, or if you're coming up to the end of the aisle and someone's coming down, you should be able to see them. And you shouldn't run into them. You know how everybody wants to sue everybody. This is going to prevent that from happening. I like the controls where they are. I feel very comfortable. You do have different settings. Ramp, you can go up your ramp. We got to go through all this. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then sport mode. So up to 7 miles per hour. Lewy, how fast are you rolling around in?
Like what, 3.7?
3.6, I believe, maybe 3.7. We'll give you 3.7. That's an awesome power chair. And this might be all you need. The GP130 by Golden. It's an awesome chair.
But I drove this chair right here, and I'm telling you, it does all of 7. It was flying with my weight in it. It was flying. I might have got it up to 8 with my weight.
Not to mention, this thing can handle all types of terrains. And again, it's mapping. It's going to have voice. It's going to do all types of crazy stuff. So again, we're going to bring you a lot of videos. And if you are left-handed, this can be moved to the left-hand side. So in manual mode, you still have full control over the chair. But it still uses the sensors. Now, it doesn't have the automatic stop. So if you wanted to pull up to a table, this is too much in your way, this could come back. And I'm sure you can just bring it right up to the table. So if you're in a facility, I don't know how high this is. So manual mode, CoPilot. Okay, there's CoPilot mode. There's my backup camera so I can see what I'm doing. But let's say I'm going to run into this. It automatically stops it. Now for the real test. Are you asking your mom if you can do this, right?
Yeah, I'm going to tell her I'm signing a waiver.
Yeah?
Hey, I'm about to shoot my video, but I just want to let you know I got to sign a waiver for the last section, so if I don't see you again, it was nice knowing you.
No, Louie, don't do that. You know better than that. You just turned 45. You know better.
Well, I made it this far. I think I can make it.
I don't think so.
We're not doing too much. All we're going to do is we got this new power chair with co-piloting, Lidair technology, and it doesn't allow you to run into anybody. And I'm going to try to run into Lewy with it. And he doesn't know this, but I'm going to also be blindfolded.
No, you're not. No.
Okay,
So
I'll
we'll
see you
see
when
how
you
it
get
goes. Love you.
here.
We have Lewy, and his mother already said no, but we don't listen to mom sometimes. And we have a blindfold. Hey, Tom, you mind shooting this video real quick? Just hold this real quick. All right, so make this real. Blindfold it. Lewy, you ready?
I'm getting there. Oh,
Hey, I really appreciate everything you've done.
I'm going to get my controller out the way, so if you run over me, you don't crush the controller.
Well, here I come.
Okay, here we go. Actually, hold up. Let's run a test with a similar sized man. That should work. Okay, here we go. I made it.
Oh my gosh, you did. I was actually really worried about that. It worked. He's still alive. Did you get scared though? Seriously?
Nah, because I was going to jump out in the way.
I doubt there's any other YouTuber out there that's doing that with a power chair.
I doubt it.
Hey, actually, there's a challenge. Grab one of your power chairs if you're a YouTube channel out there, blindfold yourself, and go directly at the person in front of you and see if you hit them.
And make it extra challenging by picking a little person.
Are we allowed to say that? Are we gonna get in trouble? All right, so that completes our unboxing. A couple experiments we wanted to try out with this, but we have a lot more to come with this and a lot more that you need to know about this power wheelchair. So stay tuned with us. I think you're gonna love this chair. Follow us on YouTube, because again, we have a lot of videos about this power chair. Now again, this might not be the perfect power wheelchair for you. We have other chairs to meet your needs. So feel free to call us to speak with us at 803-926-2224. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Alright guys, make sure you check out our next video where we'll be going over the waypoints feature. How you can set your strut to drive you to your mailbox without you even touching the joystick. Guys, this chair is awesome. And also check out our other shot videos where we do more unboxings, ride-on tests, and much more. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.